Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding what your time capsule will hold and where it will live. This choice affects preservation and visibility. Gather a chest for durability or a shulker box for portability, and bring a silk touch tool if you want intact blocks. Once done, scout a secure spot, deep underground for secrecy or a landmark for discovery. Make sure to clear space and set up temporary torches. This prevents mob grief and preserves items exactly as you place them. Next, you organize and protect content so the capsule endures. This is about both meaning and mechanics. Place meaningful items and a written book with dates and instructions. Maps show locations. Once packed, label the container with a sign or book to explain intent. Then secure the capsule. Wrap it in obsidian for blast resistance or add a water layer to prevent fire. Make sure to avoid redstone contraptions that can glitch or despawn items over time. Finally, you conceal access and create retrieval instructions so future players can find it. Hide the entrance with commo blocks or a piston door. Once hidden, record coordinates and world seed in at least 2 written books stored elsewhere. Make sure to test retrieval immediately. Open and reseal to confirm mechanics work. If something fails, check for block updates or mob interference. Troubleshooting tip: use spectator mode to inspect hidden redstone and entity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.